Welcome to the Animal Algorithm Factory, where the fur flies and the code compiles. Picture this: a bustling factory floor filled with animals in hard hats and safety goggles, each one playing a crucial role in shaping our digital world. Over here, we have Larry the lemur, our lead engineer, who's busy coding the latest algorithm for building echo chambers. Why do we need echo chambers, you ask? Well, Larry says it's all about creating a space where everyone hears what they want to hear. It's like a jungle gym for opinions, he chimes, swinging from a vine. But let's not forget, too much bouncing around in the same ideas can lead to a lack of critical thinking. That's why we need digital literacy, understanding how to navigate these spaces responsibly. Now let's check in with Sally the squirrel, our content moderator. She's got her paws full reviewing submissions. "This one's too nutty," she exclaims, tossing aside a video of a cat trying to swim. "And this one? Perfectly balanced," she says, approving a clip of a dog doing yoga. Sally explains that moderation is key to keeping our digital environment healthy. It's like keeping the forest clean. If we don't watch out for the junk, it'll pile up and create chaos. Speaking of chaos, here comes Benny the bear, our supervisor. He's got a serious look on his face. "Listen up, team, we need to talk about digital citizenship," he growls. "It's not just about being online, it's about being responsible. Treat others with respect, think before you click, and always verify your sources." He pauses, looking around. "And remember, just because a squirrel says it doesn't mean it's true." As we move through the factory, we encounter a group of clever monkeys brainstorming ideas. "What if we create a viral trend?" one suggests. "Or maybe a meme that teaches people about misinformation." They're all about using humor to educate, proving that learning doesn't have to be boring. "If we can make them laugh, we can make them think," they shout in unison. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on survival instincts in the digital age. Just like in the wild, we need to adapt to our environment. The internet can be a dangerous place, filled with misinformation and traps. So, how do we survive? By sharpening our critical thinking skills, questioning what we see, and being aware of our digital footprints. As we wrap up our tour, you might be wondering who's really behind this documentary. Is it us animals? Or could it be a clever AI pulling the strings? Maybe it's a mix of both. After all, we're all learning from each other. Just remember, whether it's a bear, a lemur, or a monkey, we all have a role in this digital ecosystem. So, let's work together to create a space that's not just entertaining, but also enlightening. Now, who's ready for a snack break?